Seasons change, so do fashion trends, but not your colors.
That's right. So personal color analysis, you may have heard it. It's a popular trend that helps people discover the shades that complement their natural tones, boosting both confidence and style. And I recently got to see what it was all about.
For 20 years, I've been in the corporate world. It was really rewarding, fast-paced, but my passion has always been fashion and cosmetics. I really enjoy how the color transform my appearance and boost my confidence. But it wasn't just about finding the best color. It's about new way to see myself and embrace my natural beauty. Today we'll be learning about color before we start. So 3 elements, hue, that's the tone of your skin complexion. The next one will be value. Value is whether you look good in dark color or light color. And another one is chroma. Chroma is whether you look bright color or muted color. So I'm gonna show you 12 different seasons. Next one is dark autumn and dark winter. They're sister. One is cooler, one is warmer.
I'm a little nervous though that what I like is what's gonna look good on me. Hopefully.
My goal here today for you to experience the power of color. Once you see it, you never go wrong way. You never reach the wrong colors. So, are you ready?
I'm so excited.
Awesome. So I'll be looking at 4 things. Okay. Eyes, cheek, lips, and jawline. First one is true winter. It's crispier white. It's like snow bright white. So it's giving you nice, beautiful contrast. Your skin looks very luminous here. Let's see the true summer green. Almost like the color taken away. Washes away. And I don't see your jawline. Your eyes are kind of like disappearing. This one is bringing out your best feature here. I love this color on you. 1 and 2. Yep. I'm glad you're seeing it. So in the beginning, we look at hue, value, and chroma. So your hue is you have cool neutral, meaning that you have more pink than yellow. So when you buy makeup, I want you to buy more neutral color. When you go shopping, what I want you to do is put a card on the top of the sweater or shirt. And I want you to think about, does this color belong in this palette? 3 keywords for you is it cool enough? Is it bright enough? Is it saturated enough? So much better. 1 and 2. You see that? I love helping people feel empowered and feel beautiful and also embrace their potential. So every day I just can't believe that this is my job and I just love what I do.